In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up shift schedules in Google Calendar. Whether you're managing a small team or organizing schedules for a larger group, this method will help you streamline your workflow using Google's powerful calendar tools. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Once you're signed in, you'll see your calendar in your default view, such as week or month. If needed, switch views to whatever layout works best for you. To create your first shift, click on the date and time slot where the shift should begin. This will open a new event window. Give your shift a clear and recognizable name, such as morning shift or evening shift. Next, set the start and end times for the shift. This helps clearly define working hours and avoid scheduling confusion. If the shift is location-specific, you can add a location. You can also use the description field to include important details like responsibilities, instructions, or notes for team members. Now, invite your team members by using the Add Guests option. Add the email addresses of employees assigned to that shift. They'll receive notifications automatically, keeping everyone informed. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the shift in your calendar. If your shifts repeat or rotate, open the event again and click Edit. Find the Does Not Repeat option and choose how often the shift should repeat, weekly, bi-weekly, or another interval. If none of the preset options fit your needs, select Custom to create a specific rotation or set an end date. After making your selections, click Save again to apply the recurring schedule. As a helpful tip, consider color-coding different shifts or teams. Using different colors makes it easier to visually identify schedules at a glance. And that's it! By following these steps, you can efficiently manage shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar, keeping your team organized and on track. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more productivity and scheduling tips.